happy morning, children. Today in this video we are going to understand about the next topic of the first chapter, that is comparison. We have to understand the comparison of two different given numbers so that we can arrange the numbers according to the requirement. How we are going to compare the numbers? Few examples first I am writing on the board. Just check it out. First I have written 6 and on the other side I have written 24. It's really very easy to compare such a number because 6 is one digit number and 24 is two digit number. So the number which is having less digits, that will be the smaller number. So in this case 6 is obviously smaller and 24 is the bigger one. So we can easily compare such numbers. But if I write a number which is of two digit and another number again of the same number of digits, that is I have written here 27 and here 72, both numbers are having same number of digits. Here we are having two digits, 2 and 7, and here again 7 and 2 digits. Now how to understand which one is bigger? Because here in the first case we have seen that the number which is having more digit is bigger. This is a clear conception. The number which is having greater number of digits, that is a bigger one. But what about this number? How do we compare? We have to first understand the way. If the two numbers are having same number of digits, what we have to do? We will come from the left side. Always remember, compare, start from the left side. What we will do? Here on the left hand side it is 2 and the second number, the left hand side, the digit is 7. Now compare between 2 and 7. Which one is bigger? Obviously 7. So it means that 72 is greater than 27. So okay. So right now I have told you two things. One thing, you have to first see how many digits a particular number is having. That is very important. Particular number is having how many digits. If a number is having less digits, it is smaller, and if it is having more number of digits, it is bigger. And in any case you find the equal number of digits, in that case you have to compare. How? You are going to compare with the first place. Okay, that first place or the number which is the digit which is starting from the left hand side. I have just shown you an example of two digit number. Now just move to the bigger one. For example, I am writing 74329, this one, and another one is 74217. Now let's see what the number is. First work, always when you are going to do the comparison, always count the number of digits first. This is the first work which you have to do. Okay. So in this number, first of all, let's check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit the first number is having. Now see for the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the problem arises. Both the number, same number of digits. Now what to do? Let's start from the second rule, which was you have to see the number from the left side and then we are going to compare. So here the left hand side number, the first one is 7. Here again 7, equal. So now what to do? We will move to the next number. First number became the 7. Second number, now see, it is 4 and here also we are getting 4. Now also the problem has not solved. Come to the third number. It is 3 here and it is 2. So which one is greater, 3 or 2? Exactly, 3 is greater. So it means that the number which is written this side is greater. Now let's, what the number is? It is 74,329 is greater than 74,217. So this way you can do the comparison of two given numbers. Now this will also going to help us out when we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order or descending order. as you have already done these things standard 5 also, I'm just giving a small recapitulation. In ascending order, we have to arrange the numbers from smaller to bigger number. The number which will be the smallest one will be written first, then it will move to the bigger number. Okay, in ascending order, remember. And opposite case in the descending order. That means what you will do, first of all you will write the greatest number first, and then it will move towards the smaller number. That means the greater number will be written first, then the next one, then the next one, and lastly we will reach to the smaller one. I am going to give one example for ascending order as well as one more example for descending order. Just let's check it out. First of all, I am going to write three different numbers and our work will be arranging those numbers. Just see to it. First of all, number is 1297. Another one is 4314. And the next one is 213. I have written three different numbers. Now, just see to it what we have to do. The first work I told you now, you have to first count the digits, okay? And here what we have to do, we have to arrange in ascending order. Our work is to arrange in ascending order, okay? So what we are going to do, arranging in ascending order. So first of all, we are going to count the number of digits. Let's see here how many digits we are having. 1 2 3 4, only 4 digits. What do we call 1297? Come to the next number. 1 2 3 4, again same number of digits, 4 digits. We can't compare right now. Let's see to it. So here 1 2 3, so it is having only 3 digits. So according to the first rule, we have counted the digits and we have seen there is one number which is having less number of digits. So in ascending order, we are starting from the smaller one. So this will be written first of all. So what we will write, the answer will be, first of all we have to write 213. Next one. Now this is done. This work is over. We are left with these two numbers. Now as we have counted earlier, we have seen that in both these numbers we are having 4 digits, equal number of digits. So we are going to follow the second rule now. We will just check the first number, first digit, okay? So here in the first number, the first digit is 1. Okay, from the left hand side we are checking. In the second number also we have seen, and what we are getting? We are getting 4. So two different digits we are getting. One is 1, another one is 4. Which one is smaller, 1 or 4? Obviously 1. So this will come now. So we will write 1297. 1297, and lastly the number which is left, that is 4317. So when you are arranging numbers, the first work you are going to count the number of digits. Second work, you have to see if the digits are same, number of digits are same, you have to compare the number from the left hand side. If it is coming smaller, then you write that one and the next bigger number will come afterwards. So in this way, we are arranging the number in ascending order. Very clear? Now, also I am going to tell you how to arrange the number in descending order. One more small example I am giving. I hope it will be clear then. So, for descending order, I am writing again one example, 51,768. This is one number, okay? Another number, 52,196. 52,196. And third one I am writing 56,187. Okay. Now let's arrange the number in descending order. Again we are starting with the first rule. That means we are going to count the number of digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits first number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Second number also. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Third number also having 5 digits. All the numbers are here having same number of digits. Now what to do here? What we will do? First of all, what we will compare the number from the left hand side. That means the first number which we have seen, that is here 5, the first digit. Second number also the first digit is 5. Third number also first digit is 5. All the numbers same digits we are getting. Then what we have to do? We will go for the next digit. So what we are getting? Here I am getting 1. Here I am getting 2. And here I am getting 6. Okay. And what we have to do? We have to arrange the number in descending order. That means first of all we are going to pick the biggest or greatest number. The greatest number here is this one, because we are getting 6 here, and other numbers we are getting 1 and 2. So this number should be written first. What the number is? It is 56,187. So in descending order, first of all we will write the greatest number 56,187. This is done. Now whatever the numbers are left, among them again we will compare, and whichever will be the greater one, that we will write first. So here we have got 1 and here we got 2. So this is obviously greater. So this one we will have to write now. So it will be 52196, which is 52,196. And lastly this one, which is 51,768. So in this way we have understood how to arrange the number in ascending order and descending order. So in this video we have done comparison of number, arranging number in ascending order and arranging number in descending order. Thank you so much, children. Please practice all the questions from the book, and I hope you all can solve the questions also. Thank you. Thank you so much.